The next phase is called interior architecture, and this is when we kick off our interiors process. This phase begins at the end of schematic design, when the exterior massing has already been defined and the programmatic layouts are already resolved.
During this phase, we begin to hone in on the individual spaces and the associated elements that go within them. The interior architecture phase is essentially a continuation of the architectural design process. Essentially, the shift focuses from macro to micro.
At this point, we're going to zoom in on specific areas, and we're going to look at enlarged plans, interior elevations, and clean white vignettes. The benefit of the all-white vignettes is it allows us to look at scale and layout without being distracted by the surface application or material selections.
At the onset of the project, we send you a project-specific interior questionnaire to fill out. The responses from the interior questionnaire essentially help us understand how you want to live and occupy the spaces within your home.
When we're studying some of these paths, sometimes it might be appropriate to design some custom pieces. For example, a custom stair can be a feature piece that really enhances the architecture. Additionally, custom millwork is an opportunity for us to create dedicated space that nestles directly into the architecture.
During this phase, we typically like to focus on kitchen, bathrooms, any areas within the home that allow for custom cabinetry. When the project's budget allows for it, we'll often dive into other select areas of the home. Perfect examples are entry spaces, fireplaces, and other accents.
Essentially, in the interior architecture phase, we're going to really define the layout and the programmatic space of everything inside your home. Keep watching to learn more about each phase of our modern home design process.